Hi friends, thank you for tuning in. I'm going to be doing a tutorial today on how to make this flower and leaf bookmark. I am using a 2.5mm crochet hook. I'm using some red yarn, some green yarn and some pink yarn. Grab whatever colours you'd like to use and let's get started. So to make the centre of the flower, we are going to go ahead and secure our yarn. I tend to secure my yarn like this and just twist. You can go ahead and do a magic ring if you wish to. I do not. I'm going to go ahead and chain 3 and I'm going to go ahead and slip stitch right into the center there. I'm going to chain 1, chain 2, and I'm going to go ahead and put 12 double crochets in the center here. So I've got 3 so far because that first double crochet counts as 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the last one. And go ahead and slip stitch into that first chain space there, like this. I'm going to go ahead and snip and just weave that through like this. I'm going to use red for the petals, so I'm just going to go ahead and again secure my yarn just by twisting it and go through both chains of a random location. Go ahead and just pull that yarn through, and that's now nice and secure. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now skip 1 chain, go ahead and slip stitch. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and skip 1 chain, go ahead and slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to skip 1 again, so skip that chain. I'm going to skip 2 chains this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to take a little bit of a leap because I'm skipping 2 chains because I want 5 petals on my flower. And you can have as many petals as you wish. If you've got a chain or 2 up or down, it genuinely doesn't matter. Your work is going to even out. Now to make the petals, let's go ahead and single crochet into the first space. Go and do a half double crochet. 3 double crochets next. So 1, 2, 3. We always end the petal with a half double crochet and a single crochet, because can you see the start and the finish? It's very even and it looks like a petal. And go in the next space, single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, half double crochet, and finish off with a single crochet. And we're going to do exactly the same thing in the next petal. So single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, half double crochet, single crochet. Same thing in the next petal. And half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, half double crochet, single crochet. and we're going to do exactly the same in that last petal. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, half double crochet, and then a single crochet. Go ahead and slip stitch into that first petal space there, and we can go ahead and snip our yarn, and that is the base and the flower complete. Now I'm going to take my green to make the tail of the flower, or the stem of the flower, and the leaf at the bottom. I want one leaf. Again, secure the yarn and go ahead and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do not skip any chains. Go ahead and single crochet into the first chain. Go ahead and do a half double crochet in the next space. Double crochet in the next space. Go ahead and do a half double crochet in that next chain space. And go ahead and put a single crochet in that teeny weeny last space there. And now you want to do another single crochet at the end there, just to make the end more pointy. And we're going to repeat exactly the same thing on the other side. So we're doing a single crochet to start with, then we're going to go in with a half double crochet, then we're going in with a double crochet, and then we're going in with a half double crochet, then we're going in with a single crochet, and do one more single crochet right at the end to a close like this. Next we're going to go ahead and just start to chain. I'm going to chain about 10 and see how I like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I want to make that a little bit longer, so I'm going to chain another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this very much depends on the kinds of books that you read. I want another 4 on there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I am happy with that. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm literally just going to go ahead and slip stitch that leaf and that tail onto the flower like this. I'm going to grab some scissors, cut the yarn, and just pull that through like this. And with the leftover green yarn, I am going to just go ahead and weave it in to the single crochet chain. If you want a smaller flower, you can make a smaller one. You can do 6 single crochets in the center. If you want a bigger one, you could do a bigger one. You know, we chain 4 for the petal spaces. You can chain 6 if you want a bigger flower, and then you can do a longer chain at the end. And if you want a bigger leaf, you will just go ahead and single crochet 8 to 10 instead of the 5 like I did. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. It does not cost you anything to subscribe, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. Bye.